If nslookup works but ping fails on your Windows 11 PC, don't worry. Here are 6 quick fixes to resolve this issue. Try appending a dot at the end of command. For example, if your command is ping hostname, then change it to ping hostname. Press Win+R to open the Run windows and type the command ncpa.cpl. Hit Enter to open the Network Connections window. Right-click on your network and select Properties. In the list, double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. In the Internet Protocol version 4 Properties window, select Advanced. In the DNS tab, shift the radio button to append these DNS suffices in order. Click on Add. In the domain suffix, add a dot, and click on Add again. Click on OK to save the settings and restart the system. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and right-click on it. Select Run as Administrator. Type the following commands one by one and press Enter after each command separately to execute it. Restart the system once all the 3 commands have executed. Press Win+R to open the Run windows and type the command ncpa.cpl. Hit Enter to open the Network Connections window. Right-click on your network and select Properties. In the list, double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. Shift the radio button to use the following DNS server addresses and change the entries as follows. Preferred DNS address 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS address 8.8.4.4. Click on OK to save the settings. Restart the system and check if it helps. Search CMD in search box. Right-click on Command Prompt, which appears in search result, and then click on Run as Administrator. Now, run the command given below, netstop DNS cache. Now, run the command given below to start DNS cache service again. netstart DNS cache. Close the command prompt window. Press Win+R to open the Run windows and type the command ncpa.cpl. Hit Enter to open the Network Connections window. Right-click on your network and select Properties. Disable Internet Protocol version 6. Uncheck it. Click OK. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.